Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am a class and today we will be doing the project overview of Akasa by Simca Estates, which is located near the Pipeline Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly behind your marketing office. Now let me tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. You see, this is constructed on 1.42 acres of land parcel featuring one tower with 4 basement ground and 35 floors having 3.5 BHK premium residences. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located on the Pipeline Road, Kokapet, Hyderabad, with your entire connectivity from your road area across this bridge. Now, coming over to the connectivity park, the Ocean Park is just 950 meters away from here. There's a Kokapet Lake View, which is again just 3.3 kilometers away, and the Nehru Outer Ring Road, which is just 2.4 kilometers away from here. Now, coming over to the amenities, you see the project comes with a curated set of lifestyle amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse. There's going to be swimming pool, indoor and outdoor sports courts, and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, 3.5 BHK is 3520 to 3750 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Akasa by Simca Estates, which is located in Kokapet, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.